Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Happy weekend. What are we doing today? We are doing a weekend reset. This week was brutal for me at work. I had a lot of work to do. I had a lot of things to do. And I couldn't clean my house. I couldn't put things in order. My place is in shambles. Do not judge me. Let me show you guys. So yes, everywhere is a freaking mess. It's a freaking mess. Today, Saturday, I am going to be putting my place in order. That is my mission right now. Cleaning. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. Trashing, trashing, trashing. Cleaning, trash, cleaning, trash, cleaning, trash, cleaning, trash. Let's get to it. Okay, guys. Can you see that? 2 bags. Almost full. Okay, now that we finished trashing things, let's start to put things where they belong. A bed skirt because normally you can see I store a lot of things under my bed, but it's kind of ugly on camera, so I bought a bed skirt to be able to hide the things I store under my bed. The problem is I kind of don't know how to put this on. I don't know if I have to pull out my whole bed, which is gonna fucking be back-breaking. Guys, how does this work? I do have to remove my bed first. I'm laughing in shock. My bed is very heavy. But I have to do it. I have to do it. Let's see how this works. I need help to put my bed on my bed.
Oh.
Alright. Bye. I had to call my friends for reinforcement because I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So I feel like this bed is gonna be on the floor while I go clean other things. Alright. The thing I have to do is to return this monitor, because the aspect ratio doesn't match my MacBook's aspect ratio, so the text comes out really weird. So I bought a box and I need to put it in there, call UPS to come pick it up, probably on Monday. We are in my bathroom. Last place I have to tackle right now. My bathroom is not that bad, so not much to do, just to arrange and put things in order, and we should be fine. Let's get to it. Let's start on some laundry. Okay guys, we are almost done with every cleaning, and let me show you guys what my place is looking like now. Bathroom is bathrooming, okay? And I need to take out trash, okay? I just need to take out trash, but everywhere else is looking good. Okay, table is clean, and then we have this shit. We still have this bed here, and I need to vacuum that space. So until my friend gets here and actually help me lift this bed on this mattress on the freaking bed thingy, yeah, I'm about to take a nap on that bed on the floor. That's what I'm about to do. So yeah, finally we can eat the sneaker bar after a hard day's work. Or hard work. I think we kind of did it, guys. Now I have to lay the bed. I freaking did it. I put the bed, I put it back there with the bed skirt. Whew. If you ever wondered what is one virtue Momo lacks, patience. I could have been patient and waited for my friend to come help me, but no, because I am determined to get this place clean at the time I want it to be clean and arranged. I cannot wait.
Don't understand it, tell me how could you be so low? Motherfuckers looking devastated. Bet your niggas wish you never hated.
That's a devil. Do I want to do anything else? I don't think I want to do anything else. Why I love you so much. with you, I just can't crack your code. Okay, I am on my way to go meet my friends and I'm running so fucking late. But I think I'll be fine. Okay. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? Okay, I shouldn't be doing this. Bye, guys.